prophets are not human. Does it come out there? So everyone turn back. Can it come out? Have we tried? It's not really showing. Do you see the bed or you don't see the bed? I think we have to. You see that small bed there? No, they didn't get it. It what?
Split into two.
You see that one bed? You wake up. All right. That was an instruction. When you pray, look at the beds. I get you. If she had not received that instruction before, she would not even have looked at any bed. A sign just for her. Now it has become your sign. It's a